Hey guys, how's it going? Okay, so you may see it's a bit dark out here, so I'm going to scoot a little closer to the screen. Okay, so welcome. Here is our lesson for today. Notice it says, read like a writer. What does that mean? That means whenever we're reading, we need to be thinking, why did the author choose to write this? Why is it written like this? Why this text structure? Why these features? That's what we're focusing on. So let us look at our strategies because whenever we read like a writer, we need to focus on our strategies. When authors compare and contrast, they show how items are the same or different. Signal words. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'm going to highlight that for you. Signal words. So, signal words such as also and both. Sounds good. Think I'll highlight that too. Are used in comparisons to show how items are similar. So, also and both mean similar, the same, right? Okay. Now, to contrast, which is opposite, or show how items are different, authors use signal words that include however and but. You can laugh, it's a funny word, but Okay, so, and then if you remember, Rebecca Boyles uses several signal words to compare and contrast in Twins in Space. Remember, Rebecca Boyles is the author of Twins in Space. So, she uses also and both, however, and but. Why? Oh, to compare and contrast. Silly. Eventually, they both joined the Navy and became test pilots. So these are little excerpts. That means these are taken from Twins in Space and placed here for you. Eventually, they both, so both, joined the Navy and became test pilots. So they did the same thing, right? But they are the only pair of twins to both fly in space, but they have never been in space at the same time. Well, that's kind of weird. They've never been in space at the same time. Huh. So we notice that the first sentence uses both, right there, it's underlined, to compare the two brothers and show how they are similar. The second sentence uses but to contrast the brothers and show how they are different. Okay, so remember, compare and contrast, right? Like we have our signal words, our key words. Also, both refer to similar or comparing. However, and but refer to different or contrast. So, what we're going to do today for your practice, and I'm going to model some of it, you will model the skill by referring to Student Interactive page 107 and paragraph 3 of Twins in Space. So, what you will find is this assignment. You will analyze the author's craft, reading, writing, bridge. Okay? Oh, look. Here's the excerpt from Twins in Space. Scott is the commander of the International Space Station ISS. That is the acronym, where he has been living for a year. His twin, Mark, is also an astronaut, but has spent the last year on Earth. So you see how they have shown us the comparing word and the contrasting word? Kind of cool. So your task is to identify Rebecca Boyle compares and contrasts Mark and Scott by using the words also and but. 2. Question, why does she compare and contrast the brothers? That might be interesting. 3. Conclude. She compares and contrasts the brothers to show readers how their lives are similar and different. Okay, so now you're going to reread paragraph 8 from Twins in Space. I will reassign this. This is part of your assignment. So identify Rebecca Boyle's comparison and contrast the brothers by using the words, and you will put those words here. So think about the words that she's using to compare and contrast. We talked about 4 of them. Okay. 2, question. Why does she compare and contrast the brothers? What do you think? Do you know? I don't know. That's something for you to question. That's why it's called the question. And then conclude. She compares and contrasts the brothers because you're answering that. Because. This is your answer. See, this is the question. This is the answer. You have to make it. Put it in your notebook. Okay, guys, if you have any questions, join me on the Zoom in the morning, or feel free to Google message, email, or Dojo. All right, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Y'all are awesome. Have a great Friday. Have a long weekend. Have fun. High five.